Welcome back, everyone, to The Deep Dive. This time we're going deep into the world of toxicology and how it plays a critical role in, you guessed it, legal cases.
That's right. We're diving into some really fascinating situations, including a case about a misdiagnosed death cap mushroom poisoning and a factory worker exposed to hydrofluoric acid.
Oh, wow.
By the end of this deep dive, you'll have a whole new understanding of how crucial toxicology is in these often high-stakes legal battles.
Yeah, this is a really interesting area. So before we get into the specifics, let's start with the basics.
Sure.
What exactly is toxicology?
Well, toxicology is basically the study of the adverse effects of substances on living organisms.
Okay.
So we're talking poisons, toxins, industrial chemicals, medications, even common household products.
So it's a pretty broad field then, huh?
It is. It's anything that can harm a living being.
So not just about the exotic poisons we see in movies then?
No, not at all. And as Paracelsus, a pioneer in toxicology, famously said, the dose makes the poison. Even something seemingly harmless can become toxic in the wrong amount.
That's a good point. It reminds us that even everyday substances can be dangerous if not handled properly. Now, how do these toxicological emergencies become legal cases?
Well, when a toxic exposure leads to injury, illness, or even death, questions of responsibility come up.
Right.
Was it an accident? Negligence? Intentional? Toxicology helps answer those questions, and the answers can have serious legal and financial consequences.
So we're talking about situations like accidental overdoses, chemical spills, even intentional poisoning.
Exactly.
We had that case about the woman with rheumatoid arthritis who was prescribed methotrexate.
Oh, right.
What happened there?
She was supposed to take the medication weekly, but because of a prescribing error, she took it daily.
Oh, wow. And what kind of consequences did that have for her?
Well, the increased dosage led to something called bone marrow suppression.
Bone marrow suppression.
Yeah. Essentially, her bone marrow, which produces blood cells, wasn't able to keep up, and this resulted in pancytopenia, which is a dangerous reduction in all types of blood cells.
Oh, wow.
She also developed mouth sores, and she became much more vulnerable to infections because methotrexate also suppresses the immune system.
That sounds incredibly serious.